Hey everyone, it's been a long time since I last uploaded, but I'm back and I've got a lot to share with you. Over the past couple of years, I had the opportunity to dive into some incredible projects. I worked with amazing tech like HoloLens and the Quest. I explored computer vision and machine learning, and ventured into the fascinating world of generative AI with tools like Stable Diffusion and Llama. I also have been experimenting with game engines like Unity, Unreal, and Godot. I've been playing around with Three.js, WebXR, and even started learning Blender. A lot has changed while I've been away. Generative AI has exploded, and the demand for privacy friendly, open, and user respecting software is more critical than ever. Apple Vision Pro is making waves, and Quest 3 is shaping up to be a solid budget friendly alternative. Meanwhile, the Android custom ROM community has been buzzing with new developments. And speaking of movies, let's not forget the MCU. It's kind of a dumpster fire right now. So, what can you expect from this channel? I'll be covering a wide range of topics, from tech to gaming, AI to XR, and everything in between. And if you want more frequent updates, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, where I post more frequently. I'm Pushkar Gaikwad, and we're just getting started. Stay tuned.